Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make this simple cute origami bird. We will use double-sided colored paper and I'm starting with the green side on the top to get a green bird with a red beak and red wings. Size of the paper is 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. To make the smaller bird, you can take 1/4 size of the sheet. Now I have created the cross crease. Now bring one tip to the center point and make a crease. Open this triangle and bring down the bigger triangle as shown. And leaving the 2 cm gap over here, fold back the triangle like this. Now hold the model in hand and fold into half. To make the beak, we need to fold it here like this. This is a pre-creasing. Make a sharp crease over here. And open it. Here you can see a valley fold. Convert this into mountain fold. And fold down as demonstrated. Now near the tip you can fold it to the center crease as shown. Fold this section into half. So the beak is done. Now to create the tail, we need to fold here by aligning to this point. This is again a pre-creasing and we'll be opening it like this and may convert the valley fold into mountain fold and fold it as shown. So the tail of the bird is done. Now for the wings, we have 2 flaps. Lift one flap and make a crease and lift another flap in the back side. Align it with the other wing and create a crease. Now in this bottom portion, we'll be folding a small triangle inside. This will help the bird to stand on the floor. Now for the finished look, you can draw the eyes and other details. Simple origami bird is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.